been in some breakfast. I gotta start taking my vitamins again. Hopefully that'll help with my immune system and stop getting sick. Also, gotta get some breakfast because I haven't cooked because I've been out of town. Let's go. Ooh, finally. Thank you, daylight savings time. Now I can actually see the sunrise before I get to work. All right, at a health screening. Mark over here is about to prick my finger. Yeah. All right, got my results back. Super healthy. That's what I like to see. Yeah. All right, so all my numbers looked great. All my numbers went down that were supposed to go down, so must be doing something right. Oh, man. All right, so I'm having a bit of a crisis. I totally blanked on report cards. I thought they had to be done by Wednesday. They gotta be done in 2 hours. So I've already done them all. I just had to put them in the computer, so game on. It's just one of those days. So I got my burritos, so excited to eat them. I got the wrong one, has goat cheese in it. All right, we made it to the end of the day. I gotta say, I have been taking thieves oil, which has been super great in helping me, and lemon essential oil. But I also took I bought some multi-B, some like vegan B vitamins, some vegan D vitamins, and some probiotics. And I am telling you what, I don't know if it's a combination of the 4 or 5 things I'm taking, or if I'm getting better or what, but like, I feel awesome today. I have had so much positive energy. I have been focused. I am feeling spectacular. So working on lesson plans for tomorrow's planning period. But yeah, man, I am like rocking and rolling. We had an amazing day. The kids were great, which makes me wonder, were my kids great, or was it because I was on my game, which makes my kids do their job? Chicken or egg kind of situation. I'm thinking it's because I was doing my job. Under 7 minutes.
Shauna, this is amazing. I don't even know what's in here, but I'm so excited and I'm waiting for my birthday. But thank you. This is awesome. Yay. Cooking with Aaron's your favorite.
All right. See me, camera, see me. Here we go. On Cooking with Aaron today, I'm gonna be doing some stir fry. I kind of have a recipe, so I will post that down below in case you want to like try that recipe. But you know me, I never ever follow the recipe. I see you back there, wife. I have a reverse screen. Shenanigans. Anyways, so if you want to follow along with the recipe, you're welcome to do that. But as usual, I always deviate from the recipe because, you know, that's how I roll. So let's get going. Oh, and I was being a lazy bum today, so I bought pre-cut stuff because, you know, I'm tired. It happens. All right, first thing we want to do is just prep everything, get everything chopped up. Ready? Again. So basically, you're just gonna chop up all your veggies, and you can deviate from whatever vegetables. It said to use mushrooms. I'm not using mushrooms because my lovely wife doesn't like mushrooms. So you just basically saute a bunch of veggies, except for don't add the greens. So if you're using collard greens or leeks or spinach or whatever like that, that goes in the very end. The sauce is where you get your magic. All right, as usual, I've overmade, so I'm gonna have to move over to a pot.
Are there mushrooms in here?
No. So I don't have tahini, so we'll go with Jim. Once you get the veggies about where you want, you're gonna add this lovely stir fry sauce in there, and then stir fry, and then once everything is done, then you're gonna finish off with your greens. So I've got bok choy and collard greens that I'm adding in there. So I have no idea how this will turn out, but we'll see. Oh, just like that, dinner is served. So I definitely adapt almost every ingredient in that recipe except for the few of the vegetables. But you'll get the gist by looking at the recipe and then watching me cook. Let's eat. Everybody just took off. Time to call it an evening. Thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow.